Auto insurance is a legal requirement in every U.S. state and Canadian province. Costs are continuing to rise. How can you reduce some of these expenses and still get the best coverage? First, get multiple quotes from the internet and your neighborhood broker. You can shop for different types of quote from a direct sell insurance companies and offline and online brokers. Auto insurance that is cheapest isn't always the smartest move. Ask yourself, is the company financially secure? Are they reputable and will they pay out if you have to make a claim? The first piece of the policy is almost always liability insurance. If you only have minimum liability coverage and you injure someone, their attorney can go after your personal assets. Many insurers feel that minimum liability is a gamble. In fact, that is why it is often only a little more money for more protection. Auto insurance varies on car types. Coverage for a sports car is very different from insuring the family sedan or minivan. If you are looking to buy a car, consider buying a car that looks good to insurance companies. For instance, insurance companies know what kinds of cars are prone to problems. They also know what kinds of cars are most often stolen. If you haven't purchased your car yet, find out what cars make this good list among auto insurers. Consider how much coverage you really need to buy and the price each of these coverages will pay. Think about collision and comprehensive coverage, which is how much you will be reimbursed for the loss or destruction of your vehicle. Are you carrying $30,000 worth of collision coverage for a $12,000 vehicle? If your car was totaled, would you be able to afford to replace it? If not, you will want comprehensive and collision coverage. The decision to buy this coverage is usually based on the value of your car. Guidelines usually suggest that if your car is worth less than $2,000, it won't be worth it to buy comprehensive and collision. If you own a $50,000 car though, it would most certainly be worth it to pay an extra $200 annually or so to ensure that your car will be replaced if you get in a serious accident. If you're driving a used car from 10 years ago, dropping collision and/or comprehensive coverage can usually give big savings. Run through various scenarios such as if I totaled someone else's car, will my insurance cover it? How much will I have to pay out of my own pocket? Paying a higher deductible can also keep your policy costs down. Remember, the deductible is what you pay out of own pocket when making a claim. Buying a low-mileage car and insuring with a good driving record will all help bring insurance rates down. Don't speed, don't drink and drive and you'll save. Single, young males under the age of 25 get the short end of the stick in this deal, so if you fall into this category, make up for this price increase by purchasing a more sensible vehicle. Consider delaying the purchase of that cherry red Mustang until after you're 26 and married. Keep yourself adequately covered. You can get away with having the bare minimums required by each state to keep you in compliance with state laws, but that may not be enough to protect your assets if you have a major incident. Insurance experts recommend that you review your insurance policy often and thoroughly. Many insurance companies offer discounts for anti-theft devices and advanced driver training courses.